Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPCB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. So let's get some levels of support and resistance mapped out here. Now, to summarize today's price movement from just a kind of trading jargon perspective, this is what is known as a gap and trap. Now, what do I mean by gap and trap in case maybe you're new? Well, on Friday, the price closed down here, and then this morning, the price opened up there. So, in other words, a very big gap up. And then the opening bell rang. The price actually made a little bit of a move up to that area right there. And then some poor souls were buying up around here. And then you can see from that point, it was basically just all selling pressure the rest of the day. So that's the gap and trap that's taken place. And now that brings about what I would definitely consider a very important level of support moving forward. And that level is down here at the dollar mark. Now, why is the dollar important? I'm not saying that this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come all the way down to $1 and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? That would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of this big old range where it just was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. So that is why that area is very, very important. Again, I'm not saying that's what's going to actually happen, but why, in my opinion, that dollar mark is an extremely, extremely important level from the technical point of view. Now, maybe the price decides it wants to start to turn itself around and head back up. So where are levels of resistance at? First key area of resistance, if there's any sort of attempted movement back to the upside, going to be right there at the $1.34 mark. And I'm just going to leave it at that because, in my opinion, at least, top priority right now is not necessarily breaking through a bunch of levels of resistance, but more so trying to go through a healthy consolidation and make sure that this whole thing doesn't spin out of control. But as of right now, things are certainly looking pretty shaky, but we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.